In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start your own sublimation printing business in literally 10 seconds. Here is an example of a 4 sublimation print on t-shirt. And this is just one of the many designs that you can print using this method. The best part about this type of printing is that you don't actually need the design printed on the shirt to sell it. You can literally just print the design, cut it out, and then put it on the shirt like so. Now to do this, you will need a few things. First of all, obviously you're gonna need a sublimation printer. You can get one of those for around $100. Secondly, you're gonna need some sublimation paper. This comes in different sizes, but I personally prefer the A4 size, which you can get for around $1 per sheet. Next, you need some heat-proof tape, which you can get for around $1 per roll. And lastly, you're gonna need a heat press machine, which you can get for around $50. Once you have everything set up, all you have to do is print your design on the sublimation paper, cut it out, place it on the shirt, place the heat press machine on top of it, and apply heat for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once the timer is finished, remove the heat press machine and voila! You have successfully printed your first design. Now obviously, this is just a basic tutorial, and there are a lot of things that you need to take into consideration when starting your own business, such as pricing, marketing, sales, and so on. But this video is just to show you the actual process of printing the designs. If you want to learn more about how to start a successful print-on-demand business, make sure to stay tuned, because I'm be releasing a lot more videos in the future. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and